How to use a Visa gift card for Spotify Premium. Well, it's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. You need to start by heading over to your application Spotify. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're in here, tap on your profile and then move into your plan. It will land you on this page. Now tap on Manage at the top. Scroll all the way down and you'll see the option of Available Plans. Click on it. It will open up in the website. Scroll down and tap on Update in the section of Payment. Tons of different payment methods will be visible to you. All you gotta do is you have to select credit or debit card. In here, you have to enter the card number of your gift card and then enter the expiry date as well as the security code. After that, tap on Change Payment Details at the bottom. If all of the information are correct, then the gift card will be added, and whenever you purchase any of the premium plans, you will be able to pay with the help of the gift card, and then you will be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.